Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Jessie hair lace closure wig. The hair is 5x5 lace closure wig and is 24 inches long. The hair came in this gorgeous packaging, and the packaging came with loads of amazing goodies. You have your wig cap, you have makeup brushes, you also have the elastic band to hold your head or secure your head down to give that melted look. You also get your eyelashes and beauty sponge as well. So here is the star of the show. Look at that hairline, guys. The hairline is definitely giving what it's supposed to give, and everything has been done straight out of the box for you, so you don't need to stress at all. The knots has been bleached straight out of the box, the hairline has been pre-plugged straight out of the box, and the construction of the cap is very neat and professional. As you guys can tell, it comes with an elastic band as well. The elastic band is adjustable, so depending on how tight you want the wig. And look at that, I also love the fact that the hair also comes with the lace pre-cut, so you don't have to do anything at all. This hair is actually for beginner because it's a throw on and go type of wig. Everything has been done for you. It's good, it's beginner friendly, and it also very affordable. So look at that, you can actually pat the hair anywhere you like within the 5x5 closure. And look at the hairline. I am loving this. The lace also melted into my skin effortlessly, and all I did to secure the hair or melt the hair down is to apply a mousse, and that was it. Then I used the elastic band just to melt it furthermore. So I use the hot comb to press down the hair, lay it flat, and go ahead and went for a center part, which obviously, as I mentioned, you can go for any part of your choice. So for this look, I went for center part, and I used the hot comb to press the hair down further just to give it that gorgeous flat look. And yeah, that's all I did so far when it comes to installing this hair. Bear in mind, I didn't apply any glue or gel. That's how easy it is to install this hair. And if you're like, the type that just like to throw on your hair and go, you don't need to do all this. All you need to do is just bring out the hair from the box and apply the elastic band, and that's it. You will be good to go. But as always, I need to show you guys how to make the hair extra steps, if that makes sense. Yeah, if you want that extra step, obviously you can do this, but if not, just bring out the hair from the box and slap it on, and off you go. How amazing is that? I'm so impressed with this hair, the quality of the hair and the texture of the hair, how silky the hair is. Everything is just giving what it's supposed to give. So I applied my concealer at the center part just to accentuate the part furthermore, and that was it. Nothing more, nothing less. But there was no need for me to actually straighten this hair, but as always, I have to give it to you guys as it is, because you can actually dye this hair, tongue this hair, straighten this hair. It's 100% human hair. You can treat it just like your own natural hair, so bear that in mind, that it's 100% human hair. So yeah, you can change the color or dye the hair, anything you want, just like your natural hair. So yeah, I am loving it so far, and I went ahead and straightened the hair just a little bit, just for you guys to see how silky the hair is, which you don't really have to do straight out of the box, but for the purpose of the video, why not? So yeah, I really love the fact that everything has been done for you guys straight out of the box. This is a stress-free, low maintenance, which obviously you all need for summer. Everyone, no, I mean, no one needs glue, gel, or spray or whatever this summer. You just need to slap this hair on and go. How amazing is that? No need for scissors to cut the lace, no need to bleach your knots, no need for nothing. Look at that. Very, very silky and very, very smooth. And the hair is also true to length as well. I'm actually impressed with this hair. Everything about it just giving amazing. It's giving gorgeousness. Look at how full and voluminous the hair is. Look at that. The luster of the hair, the length of the hair, and the texture of the hair. Silky straight, just giving what it's supposed to give, I'm loving it. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak, and I got a lot of compliments wearing this hair. Look at the hairline, guys. Show me the laces. Show me the lace, please. Where is the laces? Show me the lace. It's nowhere. This is my natural hair. You can't tell me otherwise. And look at that. No glue, no gel. How natural is that? And then back and secured. We are all good to go. Look at that. The texture, the volume, and the silkiness. I'm just impressed, like speechless. So yeah, stay tuned for my review, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Jessie hair lace closure wig. The hair is actually 24 inches long, and it's a 5x5 lace closure wig. As you guys can tell, the hair is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Look at that. There's no glue, there's no gel, there's nothing at all. All I used to install this hair is the elastic band that was installed in the construction of the cap, which gave me that secured. Look at that. Hair is going nowhere. Look at that. It's going nowhere. It's really, really well secured with the elastic band. It's really well secured with the elastic band, and I'm loving the fact that I don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. This is a very low maintenance hair, meaning you don't have to spend a lot to install this hair or to maintain this hair. Actually a throw on and go type of wig. Even anyone can actually install this hair. You don't need a scissors, guys. No need for scissors, no need for any professional help. You can just bring out the hair from the box and then place it on your head, and off you go. It's a throw on and go type of hair that anyone can actually wear it. It's perfect for beginner, and it's also affordable at the same time. Another thing I love about this hair is the quality of the hair. Look at that. The hair is really, really soft, very silky to touch, and I'm loving the fact that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. Look at how silky the hair is. In fact, I actually don't need to straighten this hair because the hair was actually silky straight out of the box. I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight out of the box. The hairline has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box. The lace for me is everything. It melted into my skin effortlessly, and you can barely tell if this is actually my real hair or a wig. And the hairline for me is giving what it's supposed to give. I really, really love this hair, and I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight out of the box. You can actually pat the hair anywhere you like between the 5x5 lace closure. So yeah, would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I'll definitely recommend this hair in terms of the quality of this hair. As mentioned earlier, there's no shedding, no tangling, no nasty smell whatsoever. So in terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. I love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair is also true to length. In terms of the shipping of the hair, their shipping was really, really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get in the UK. Their packaging was really, really good. It came with loads of amazing goodie, and I love that gorgeous, I love their gorgeous packaging, and it came with loads of amazing goodies that you can also use to install your hair, which for me is a no-brainer. So yeah, and if you guys don't know Jessie's hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have different hairstyles, textures and length on their website. And the most amazing thing is the fact that they always have offers on their website. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your lover. I am loving it, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Jessie hair. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.